Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use CapCut for gaming videos step by step. So if you want to edit gameplay for YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, or montages with effects, music, and smooth transitions, yeah, this guide will help you make your videos look way more professional. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then import your gameplay clips, facecam footage, or screenshots into the timeline. Now organize your clips in the order you want and trim out boring parts. Gaming videos usually feel better when the pacing stays fast and entertaining. Next, add background music or sound effects to make the video more exciting. So, synced sound effects and beat drops can make gameplay edits feel way more intense. To make scene changes smoother, add transitions between clips. So, simple transitions like zooms, spins, or blur cuts usually work really well for gaming videos. You can also improve the gameplay visuals using color grading. Increase contrast, saturation, or sharpness slightly to make the footage pop more on screen. When your edit is finished, export the video in the highest quality possible. Yeah, for gaming videos, 1080p and 60 FPS usually give the smoothest results. And that's basically how to use CapCut for gaming videos from start to finish. Once you practice these editing techniques, your gameplay videos will start looking way more entertaining and professional.
Я его ничуть не хуже. Я его